Here you go, Lucy. A little bit later.
Ah, on en veut là des haricots de Tata Hélène. C'est bon ça. Et surtout n'enlève pas la cuillère, maman. Eh ben, comme quoi il fallait essayer.
She's sucking on the spoon. That's okay to suck on the spoon. Is okay. It has something on it, doesn't it?
Qu'est-ce qu'elle fait, Lucie? Elle mange comme nous. Toi, t'es sûr que t'en mets pas trop dans la bouche en même temps, toi? Non? Tu mets juste ce qu'il faut dans la bouche, hein?
Okay, should we put some more on it? See? The spoon, no.
Non, laisse-moi la cuillère, maman.
No, this is cool. The spoon I can get into, Mom. Okay, give me the spoon, Lucy. Come on. Give it back. Okay, let's put just a little bit more on. Okay. That's so funny. She wants to hold the cup too. I'd like to do this on my own. Not quite sure how it's done, but it's not even a safe cup. It's all chipped. You can't hold this, Lucy. There you go. There you go. She's getting used to the flavor, I think. She's sucking on it. Like, oh, what was that? What was that? Are you okay, Lucy?